Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install apps on TCL Google TV. Alright, let's begin. I am not using TCL Google TV, but the process is similar, so follow along. First, make sure your TV is connected to the internet through Settings and Network for smooth downloads. From the home screen, open the App Store to access available applications and games. Use Search Bar, Browse Categories, or Voice Assistant to find your desired app quickly. Select the app from results, then press Install and wait until download and installation complete. Once installed, open it directly or find it later in your app library anytime. Always keep software updated to improve performance and ensure better app compatibility on TCL Google TV. If an app is unavailable in your region, try connecting to a VPN like US and search again. So that's basically how you can install apps on TCL Google TV. That's it for this video. Thanks.